Hello there. In 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 45, then David said to the Philistine, "You come to me with a sword and with a spear and with a javelin, but I come to you in the name of the Lord of hosts, the God of armies of Israel, whom you have defied." Now, it is not a secret of David's victory towards Goliath. Natalo po si Goliath not because of his power, not because of his strength, not because of any physical attributes na meron si David. But ang kanyang dala-dala, ang kanyang bitbit is the name of our Lord, the name of God. Same sa atin. Sometimes we feel defeated. We are not victorious sa buhay natin. Every time that we face Goliath in our lives because we use our own strength, we use our own power, we use our own capacity, we use kung anong meron ka. This is the time na bit-bit na natin palagi ang pangalan ng ating Panginoon, because there is power in that name. There is salvation in that name. So every time you face a Goliath in your life, maybe a Goliath of financial, spiritual, physical, relational, anumang klaseng Goliath sa buhay natin, tandaan po natin mga kapatid, makakayanan natin ito sa tulong ng ating Panginoon. You are not alone. God is always with us. Just rely on Him. Mag-rely lang tayo sa ating Panginoon. Remember the word of Zechariah, it says, "Not by power, not by might, but by the Spirit of God." Mga kapatid ko sa Panginoon, the power of our Lord Jesus Christ is very powerful. Use that name because that name is above every name. God bless us all.